Siyempre, parang napaaga tayo. Yan. O, di ba? Pasok sa banga. Alam mo naman, konting kembot na lang, malapit na tayong maka-level 2. Siyempre, malapit na tayong mag-level 2. Para dito, pag malapit na tayo sa level 2. Oh my God. Check natin yung room XP ko. 29,677. Ay! Teka. Sinabi ko bang 6-7? Charot! Hindi na uso yun ah. Diba? Uso na yung 6-7 sa nung 2025 inuso yung meme na to ah. Nakakaloka yung meme na to ah. Siyempre, walang ganon. Nakakainis kasi. So, we had to shout out our gift rankings here. So, we have Captain Ems from Golden Eagle family. Yan. Shout out to Zabby. Ang galing. Nakikihagis pa lang. So, yeah. We need to shout out to Hara Amihan from Tamaderos family. And we need to shout out to Miss Ricarla from Shariwa family. Ayun. Alam niyo naman nasa musical podcast na tayo, but you know it, konting kembot na lang, magle-level 2 na yung PR ko. Siyempre, mag-queue up lang kayo ng queue up ng kanta para tumaas ang XP mo. Ayan na. Level 2 na tayo. Hi, Tol! Shout out to Tol from Dream Seekers family. Ayun, pumapasok sa PR ko. So, kung interesado ka naman kumanta dito, pwede kayong mag-queue up. So, yes. And that's a wrap for today. Mag-i-start na ang decades of songs from classics to now. This is Musical Podcast where music can always started. Thank you so much and happy tasking, everyone.